Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next module number MECH underscore P underscore 047 underscore Raymond Survey John Jude. Statement: the minimum distance required to stop a car moving at 35.0 mile per hour is 40.0 feet. What is the minimum stopping distance for the same car moving at 70.0 mile per hour, assuming the same rate of acceleration? Dear students, here it is quite obvious that one value is 35 and the other is its double, that is 70. Okay, so our solution must correspond to this thing. Okay, now we move on to next slide to see solution. Okay, we know from table of conversion factors that 1 mile is equal to 5280 feet and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes equal to 3600 seconds. Using the equation v square equal to v naught square plus 2ax minus x naught. Dear students, in the last slide of this module, we will discuss this equation. In our previous modules, we have discussed these 5 equations repeatedly. Okay? Here sometimes we instead of v and v naught we may use vf and vi. Okay, similarly x minus x naught may sometimes be written as x2 minus x1. Okay, anyhow, in the last slide of this module we will discuss this equation and similar other equations. Okay, from this equation, acceleration A becomes equal to v square minus v naught square over 2 into x minus x naught. Here, final velocity, that is v, is 0 and v naught is 35.0 mile per hour. Okay, it will be in square because formula is v square minus v naught square. Okay, divided by 2. Here x is 40.0 feet while x naught is 0. Okay, so 2 into 40.0 feet minus 0, this becomes equal to minus 35.0 into, in place of mile we convert it into feet. 5280 feet divided by 3600 seconds. Okay, mile has been converted into feet and r has been converted into seconds. Divided by 80 feet. Okay, 2 when multiplied by 40 will become 80. This alternatively becomes equal to minus 35.0 into 35.0 because it is in square into 5280 into 5280 feet square. Okay, divided by 3600 into 3600 into 80 feet into second square. Okay, because dear students, here we will treat it as if there are 2 terms in the numerator and 2 terms in the denominator. Okay, hence 2 terms in the denominator will be reversed and multiplied with the upper two factors. Okay, this alternatively becomes equal to minus 3415104 feet divided by 36 into 36 into 80 second square. This alternatively becomes equal to minus 32.93888888 feet per second square. We round it as minus 32.94 because digit next to 3 is 8 and then 8 that is greater than 5, so we take this value as minus 32.94 feet per second square. Okay, so acceleration has become equal to minus 32.94 feet per second square. Again, using the equation v square equal to v naught square plus 2ax minus x naught, this implies that x minus x naught is equal to v square minus v naught square over 2a. Putting the values here, final velocity is 0 while v naught is 70 mile per hour. It will be squared, okay, because we have square in the formula, divided by 2 into value of acceleration which we have calculated in the previous slide. This becomes alternatively equal to minus 70 into 5280 feet over 3600 second whole square. What we have done? We have simply converted mile into feet and hour into seconds, divided by minus 65.88 feet per second square. Okay, quite simple. In the next step, it will become minus 70 into 70 because it is square, so 70 will be multiplied twice. Similarly, 5280 will also be multiplied twice because it is in square, so feet will also become feet square. Similarly, 3600 will be multiplied twice and second will also become second square, divided by minus 65.88 feet per second square. This will alternatively become equal to minus 10540.44 feet square over second square divided by minus 65.88 feet per second square. This will alternatively become equal to 159.99 feet. Okay, because dear students, second square will be cancelled by second square and 1 feet will be cancelled from feet square, so single feet will be left. Okay, so x minus x naught which we had to determine has become ultimately equal to 159.99 feet, and this is the solution of our problem. However, in the next slide we will see something extra. Okay, what extra? Additional note, key ideas, 5 equations. We will not waste our time here. We have discussed this thing many times in previous slides. Okay, this is for your reference and help guidance. Okay, and this is the end of